So guys, here's the painting I'm working on. I'm just getting some paints. I got some red, some yellow, some white. I got some Copic markers. As you can see, what I've got so far is this crazy guy. So I'm trying to do something surreal that builds into a big face over here. And you know, you got your funky guy there. We're gonna go ahead with some... what color should we use? Maybe some red? So guys, I did a bit of a time lapse. You can see I brought some blues. I echoed throughout color all over the canvas. I'm going to go in with my Copic markers, do some detail of these faces and things like that, and see how it goes. Let's grab a black, and I might have to wait till this paint dries, but I can work in the areas that aren't. I'm just trying to do some little fancy detail work with highlighting. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're interested in buying some artwork or getting a custom painting made, visit my website, www.raeart.ca. Okay, later guys, I'm out of here. Bye. Clickety click.